Dear students, today we shall study about how to construct the quadrilateral with given measurements. Let's take for example, construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is 4 cm, QR is 6 cm, RS is 5 cm, PS is 5.5 cm and PR is 7 cm. Now, according to the given measurements, first sketch the rough diagram of quadrilateral. The name of quadrilateral is PQRS. Rough diagram. P Q R S is the quadrilateral. The length of PQ is given 4 cm, QR is 6 cm, RS is 5 cm, PS is 5.5 cm, then PR is 7 cm. PR is the diagonal. It is 7 cm. So, first draw SR is equals to 5 cm. With the help of scale, first draw a line segment SR is equals to 5 cm. This is SR 5 cm. Then with the help of compass, take S as radius and draw an arc with radius. Now take S as center, draw one arc with radius 5.5 cm. With S as center, draw an arc of radius 5.5 cm. Similarly, with R as center, draw an arc of radius 7 cm. With R as center, draw one more arc with radius 7 cm. Now these two arcs intersecting each other at this point. Join this point of intersection to S and R. Represent this point as P. Now with R as center, with radius 6 cm, draw one arc, and taking P as center, radius is equals to 4 cm, draw one more arc. With R as center and radius is equals to 6 cm, draw one arc. Similarly, with P as center, draw one more arc with radius equal to 4 cm. Now these two arcs intersect each other at this point. Now join this point to P and R. Join this point of intersection to R and to P. Now represent this point of intersection as Q. SR 5 cm, QR 6 cm, PQ 4 cm and PS 5.5 cm and PR 7 cm. Now PQRS is our required quadrilateral with given measurements. Now write the steps of construction how we have constructed. Steps of construction. Step 1. Draw SR is equals to 5 cm. Step 2. With S as center and radius is equals to 5.5 cm, draw one arc. With S as center and radius is equals to 5.5 cm, draw one arc. Then number 3, taking R as center and radius is equals to 7 cm, draw one more arc to intersect the previous one. Step 3, taking R as center and radius is equals to 7 cm, draw one more arc to intersect previous one. Step 4, represent the point of intersection by P and join PS and PR. Step 4, represent the point of intersection by P and join PS and PR. Step 5, take R as center and radius is equal to 6 cm, draw one arc. Step 6, take P as center and radius is equal to 4 cm, draw another arc. Taking P as center and radius is equal to 4 cm, draw another arc which intersect previous at point P. Which intersect. Taking P as center and radius is equal to 4 cm, draw one more another arc which intersect the previous arc at Q. Next, step number 7, join PQ and RQ. Join PQ and RQ. Now PQRS is our required quadrilateral with the given measures. In this question we were given the 4 sides and 1 diagonal. So we have constructed the quadrilateral with the help of given 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Come to solve the next exercise 4.1. In the exercise 4.1, we need to construct the quadrilateral with the given measures. Question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Number 1, quadrilateral ABCD. AB 4.5 cm, BC 5.5 cm, CD 4 cm, AD 6 cm and AC 7 cm. Now, according to the given measures, first draw the rough sketch of quadrilateral ABCD and mention their measures of sides. AB is equals to 4.5 cm, BC is equals to 5.5 cm, CD is equals to 4 cm, AD is equals to 6 cm and AC is equals to 7 cm. According to given measures, first draw the rough sketch of quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, C, D. AB 4.5 cm, BC 5.5 cm, CD 4 cm, AD 6 cm and AC 7 cm. First draw DC is equals to 4 cm. This is DC, it is 4 centimeter. Then with D as center, radius is equal to 6 centimeter, draw one arc. Similarly, with D as center and radius is equal to 4 centimeter. Similarly, with C as center and radius is equal to 7 centimeter, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection of these two arcs as A. Then join AD and AC. With D as center, draw one arc with radius 6 centimeter. Similarly, with C as center, draw one more arc with radius 7 centimeter. Now these two arcs intersect at this point. Mark this point and represent by letter A. Then join A to D and A to C. Next, take A as center and radius is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw one arc. Similarly, with C as center and radius is equal to 5.5 centimeter, draw another arc. These two arcs intersect each other at one point. Mark this point as B. Then join A to B and B to C. With A as center, draw one arc with radius 4.5 centimeter, and similarly with C as center and radius is equals to 5.5 centimeter, draw one more arc to intersect the previous one. Now these two arcs intersect each other at this point. Mark this point and represent by letter B. Now join A to B and B to C. Now ABCD is our required quadrilateral. Now write the measure of each side. AB 4.5 centimeter, BC 5.5 centimeter, DCD 4 centimeter and AD 6 centimeter, and the diagonal AC is 7 centimeter. So this is our quadrilateral according to the given measures. Now write the steps of construction. Step 1, draw DC is equals to 4 centimeter. Step 2, with D as center, draw an arc with radius 6 centimeter. Of radius 6 centimeter. Step 3, with C as a center and radius is equals to 7 centimeter, draw another arc. Step 4, mark the point of intersection of these arcs by A and join AD and AC, A to D and A to C. Step 5, with A as center and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Number 6, with C as center and radius is equals to 5.5, draw another arc. Step 7, mark the point of intersection of these two arcs by B and join A to B and C to B. Mark point of intersection of these two arcs by B and join AB and BC. Now ABCD is our required quadrilateral with given measures.